How many of you have ever gotten bored in school? I know I have, especially when I was little, and I needed something to pass the time. So, my friend taught me how to make a fortune teller, and I always got a kick out of it, out of the thousands that I made. So, today I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. The 3 steps I'm going to do are show you how to fold it, then show you how to fill it out once you're done folding it, and then how to use it on your friends. So, first I'm going to show you how to fold the fortune teller. So you're going to take a regular piece of paper, you're going to take one of the edges and pull it all the way till it's lined up with the edge of the paper, and then you're going to crease it all the way down. So you should have something that looks like this. And you see this rectangle part down here that's not folded? You're not going to need it. So you're going to take scissors and just cut it off. And this is the one and only time you're going to need scissors, so you can put them away. Put the rectangle piece to the side, and you should have a square with one line down the middle. Now the second part is you're going to make a line going this way, the opposite way. So take the ends to one another and crease it again. So you have a square with 2 lines. Now you're going to place it down, and you're going to take each of the corners to the middle of the paper where the X meets, and you're going to crease them all. Kind of like making a homemade envelope, except you do all 4 corners instead of only 3. So you take them all to the corner. Last one. And you should have an even smaller square with 4 flaps. Now you put the 4 flaps down on the desk. Then you do the same thing with the other side. You take the corners to the middle of the paper. And again, you do all 4. All right. So then you should have flaps on both sides. Now, you fold it. You don't have to do this, but I think it makes it easier. You fold it into rectangles and just press it so it's easier to get your fingers in, because this paper's kind of tough. All right, and then you try and push all the corners together to put your fingers in, and it should look something like this. So then you just slide your fingers. Now you're gonna fill it out, and I already have one made. So typically, you don't have to take this suggestion, but typically what you do is on the very outside, you put colors. So on mine, I put green, yellow, blue, and red. So once you've done that, then you open it up a little bit more, you put numbers. So I put 1 through 8. Then on the flags, which is the funny part, you can put anything, like a future job, where you're gonna live in a mansion, live in a box, anything that you think your friends will find funny. So then you take it, last part, this is how you actually do it. So if somebody picked blue, I would go B-L-U-E. Now you can pick from 7, 2, 1, or 4. I'll pick 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go back and forth again. So I have the same numbers. So let's say I'll pick 7. Under 7 is I live in a box. So for little kids, this is a really fun thing, and sometimes they even believe it. But today I taught you how to make a fortune teller, and I showed you how to fold it, what to write on it, and how it's funny for your friends and how you can use it. So if this sounds fun to you, it's for all ages. I still make it even as a college student. So I would say try it out. You might get a kick out of it, and your friends might find it hilarious. So go ahead.